Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers representing InstantCashFunnel.com, back at you again with another video. And today we're going to discuss a popular and, quite frankly, a lucrative money-making opportunity online. And of course, you know, from my last several videos, I've been promoting it. It's actually the Easy1Up product. And you can find this page that you're looking at here at InstantCashFunnel.com, and it reveals how you can make an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month in addition to what you may already be doing. And if you keep going and be consistent, you can even end up replacing your primary income with this powerful, lucrative money-making system here. And I just want to briefly go over it, and then I want to show you some exclusive bonuses where you can pretty much only get from me, where I'm going to give you several niche websites. Just imagine having websites in different industries like the health industry or even the gambling industry, if you're into that, you know, and your links are displayed in these websites, which are designed in a review site style fashion. In other words, it's a review website that reviews different things in that niche. So whenever anyone clicks on any of the reviews and goes to the products and decides to buy, then you will get an affiliate commission anywhere from 50 to even as high as 75% on these products. And this is going to be set up all for you, and I'm going to give you the access to that. It'll be free, and it'll just be a whole bunch of niche websites you'll have in your arsenal. Because the thing is, you'll come into these online business opportunities, and a lot of them will just be here to promote the online business niche, the business of making money online, which, I mean, not everyone's ready for that niche. That's not the industry for everybody. You may already be into something else like health or some other type of niche, which I'll show you on some of these sites that I'm going to be giving you. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at Easy1Up, the actual opportunity itself. So let's go on. You'll come to a page that looks like this at the main Easy1Up page. And in case you didn't want to go to the whole funnel at InstantCashFunnel.com, well, you can just come to start.wcrpro.com and you'll be right here at this page. And you can get a quick overview of Easy1Up. Very great, fantastic video here that the company put together. You can see a little bit about Easy1Up. Is all about empowering entrepreneurs how to one-up their competition by continuing to learn and develop new strategies. So what we've done is put together 6 different courses that are already making an impact for people around the world. These courses offer many hours of training to keep you up to date on some of the latest trends in the market of online business. See, what you have to understand is Easy1Up is an e-learning platform. So it's a school of sorts where people would come to learn how to run an online business. And there are different packages or course levels. And for each course level that you choose, there's a different, of course, higher level of learning, of training. And when what people would do, they would purchase their course, then they would be given login information, and they would come into their back office and watch their training in their back office like any other e-learning platform. The only difference is this particular e-learning school teaches how to run an online business, all the many different ins and outs. And let's go ahead and look at some of those packages, some of those courses. If we go up here to product, let's go ahead and have a look and see what we got here. And as you can see on the product page, you can get a sample of what some of the training styles are like inside this e-learning platform. And the first product package is called the Elevation. It's for $25. That's a one-time, by the way. That's not a monthly. And you can see some of the curriculum here. Next one is Elevation Elite for 100. This is the curriculum here. Look at all of this training. And I'm talking this isn't no little training here. Some of these are well over an hour, some even 2 hours long per lesson. I'm talking about this is real serious stuff here. Like I said, it's like a school. It's an e-learning platform. Then we have the Vertex Video Education Package for $250. That's the course curriculum. I have the Vertex Elite for $500. Here's the course curriculum. This one is very powerful. That drop shipping counts right there. And oh, the live business building course. You're just not going to want to miss that. And the thing is, when someone, if you refer someone to this e-learning platform over at start.wcrpro.com, and if they were to choose the $500 Vertex Elite and you yourself have already previously purchased it for your own, then you would receive an instant commission payment directly, immediately payable to you. You wouldn't have to wait a week. You wouldn't have to wait a month to get a check or anything. The payment would be instantly come to you. That's very important. The payment comes directly to you, and you will receive $500 if you yourself. And you would also receive the payments for any product levels that were below you. But you would not receive any payment for anything that's above. For example, the next one is Vertex Pro Connect for $1,000. And this is the course curriculum, as you can see here. So the higher you come in, the better, right? And then the last one is the Vertex Live for $2,000, which also includes tickets to the live events. And you can get a sample of what the live events here is like. Again, this is at start.wcrpro.com. So you gotta come. You're gonna look at these products, decide which one is the best fit for you, and then you're gonna scroll all the way up the top and you're gonna see this Join Now button. Hit that Join Now button. You're gonna see where it takes us to. A page that looks like this. See my picture here at the top. Brief little intro about me, where I'm from, a little bit about my success here. Just go ahead and fill out the form. Choose your username. There's a link for the terms. You can go over them and read those terms. Hit the Start Now, and you're going to immediately want to select a package so you can start getting instant commissions, but also to learn. Remember, it's an e-learning platform. So you're coming in here to learn the subject matter. I know you're interested in how to effectively run an online business and all the different details and nuances of that, or you wouldn't even be here watching this video. But this is a way where you can learn and earn at the same time. What a great concept. And just to let you know, for anyone who comes in at the $250 streaming video education package level or higher, I am going to provide you with a special set bonus niche websites. Look at these websites and all the different little niches you got. Body detox, day trading, men's health, forex trading, all these different women's ebook store, colon cleansing, muscle building, casino and betting, credit repair. And remember I said at the beginning that this bonus, these sites are like a review style site. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the weight loss site, for example. See what it's going to look like here. Now just take a look at the quality of this website. See what I mean when I say review style? Look at that. Look at this. These are awesome sites, and you'll get this for free. And each one of these products you see where it says visit website, each one will have a special affiliate link uniquely coded to you and you only. Don't worry, you won't have to do the coding yourself. It's all simple, all simple. You're going to be given a special link that you can use for these niche websites. That's just one of them. Even these ads, folks, if someone clicks on these ads and purchases, you'll still get a commission anywhere from 50 to 75%. I just wanted to show you that. Let you know, folks, this is the real deal. Real deal. Real deal. Already understand what Easy1Up is about. If you can pretty much see what it's about, and you're ready to join and go ahead and pick a level, and you're gonna and you want that bonus. You want all those niche websites. You want that extra bonus arsenal of websites. You can go into any niche, any industry, and boom, make sales in that industry with this special exclusive bonus for me and me only, William C. Rogers. You can just go ahead and come to join.wcrpro.com, and that's this page here where you see my picture here, and go ahead and sign up. Create your quick username, make up a password for yourself, start now, pick the level, choose the 250 or above level, and you'll get all those niche sites. This video here that you see at join.wcrpro.com, by the way, is a quick, well, I won't say quick webinar, but it is like an hour long, but it's from the CEO himself of Easy1Up, Mr. Peter Woofing. So just in case you really needed some more information, but you're probably not going to need it. You see what it's about. I feel as though I've showed with you the e-learning platform curriculum that Easy1Up has. I've shown you the bonus niche websites included if you come in with me at the 250 streaming video education package level or higher. And if you come in at the $500 package level, I'll even go in the back office for you, and I'll set up everything for you in your back office just as it needs to be, and you'll be ready to hit the ball rolling even faster. And plus, I have tons of traffic resources, which means ways to get people to your Easy1Up links. I got a special funnel that includes a whole email sequence that automatically goes out and all of that. So just come on and join with me. Join.wcrpro.com. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.